Oh no.
Write down your words, thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Let me see your palm. Yeah, good palm. Basically, there are three lines. This line, this line, this line. We call it this line, light line. More older. So this is the 100 your age. Yeah. So yeah, you can live very long. You can see this line. This is the very good line. Actually, if you own this line, yeah, you're alone. But when you have this line, yeah, when you do something, there are many people or not many environments that help you. Yeah, help you. Yeah, this is your husband line, so you're not. Someday you wanna marry.
Yeah. Will I have husband?
Of course, you have husband, but if you married earlier, once divorced, so don't marry late.
Oh, so if very early, I'll divorce.
Yeah, you're already almost 30, so not early. So right now it's okay.
Oh, okay.
And, your brain is very pretty. Yeah, it makes your ideas or creative things. If your brain line is short, you know that is very difficult. The brain is you have some attractive things. So yeah, so if you work as a service, like the singer, dancer, or the artist, or just the restaurant, etc. When it is very good. It's popular and attractive. And but in your weight line, your road changes several times. Means that it's difficult to work if you want to succeed, to get over the world of thinking, the world of emotion. It is 55 year age. After 55, you have lines, so you have to work until you die. If you have some ability. Good. Money. Your money line is very clear, so that you like money so much. Very good. Everyone is the same. Discipline. Yeah, of course, when you have these two lines, you can start your own business, but not big business, just small. Yeah. And marriage is possible.
Oh, possible.
Yeah.
Around when?
Yeah, when I read your Saju. And can you see this line? It's not good. It's just liver. So don't drink too much. And just sometimes it's the legal problem. legal problem. So when you contract something, or be careful and don't believe people too much. Yeah, it's a legal problem. This is also related with overseas. So you can expand your business area to the overseas later to improve your lifestyle. It's the secret of success.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Except that usually not bad. But don't think too much, especially the negative thing.
Is it your Saju?
There's two kinds of soil. There's two kinds, the plus energy and minus energy. The male energy is female energy. Even female, some people this energy. Even male, some people this energy. You are a woman, you are this energy. So
so mine is
on the soil, your big mountain, that's more very good, very good. But in your Saju, there is no green matter. No green matter. Green is for the tree. Yeah, even you're the mountain, you don't have any trees.
I don't have trees.
Yeah.
So I need to add trees in my life.
Yeah, so the very lonely mountain sometimes. Tree means for you the husband letter. And sometimes job. So of course you have job, but a little bit difficult to promote the higher levels of position. So no matter when you work well, it's a little bit difficult. And your money. So your money is very, very stable money. So sometimes you want a big money, but it's impossible. But stable. So it's very good letter. And your story in Korean age, for 10 years is the chance to make money to work, because this is a very good letter. You can show your ability enough in this period. So the focus on these 10 years. After that, 40, a little bit careful. And your 50, 60, 70, money. So your late time is very good. Very good. So when you choose the guy, like I said, you don't have husband letter. Maybe you want a sexy guy, romantic guy, handsome guy, but it's not your standard. It should not be your standard. Just he has to be a stable job, and he has to give you money, and he has to come back home regularly. This is a good husband, because this year, a little bit stressed this year. And because be careful the sudden things. You don't expect that some discomfortable things can occur. So this year, 31, 32, 33, work. Yeah. So be careful. And the next year, maybe if you try harder, you can have boyfriend next year. Yeah. Also the marriage age, but marriage is like I said, 33, 20, 25 is the good. It's good.
Marriage.
Yeah.
How about relationship?
Relationship. Yeah. I think that if you meet the guy who was born in February, March, if he was born in this month, it's a good guy. And if you want a relationship this year, it's very stressful, so that maybe next year is more better. And like I said, you don't have a guy's letter, so I don't know his appearance, his personality. Just very, very regular guy, job, money, like that. Choose that kind of guy. That's that. Finished.
Thank you.